Hey guys, welcome back. This is another unboxing video. Another DVD, and got a package, and let's check it out, see what we got. So, as you can see, I have a package from that MVM Entertainment. Very awesome. So let's see what we got today. Got another DVD, obviously. It's cool. So you can head on over to check out mvmfilms.com. Also, you can check out animeonline.com. Okay. What is that? Alright, what we got here? Another MVM Entertainment title. We got XTV actually, which is awesome. Or cool. Awesome. Very nice. Very nice series. So anyway guys, big thanks to mvmfilms.com, and also big thanks to Anime Online. So check out the websites below in the description, and take care everybody. See you in the next episode of Let's Talk About Anime and Manga DVDs. See you next time. See ya. Arigato and sayonara.